Hey guys, this is how to level up fast in Anime Vanguards. So guys, I will be discussing a multiple method that you might want to consider in order for you to level up fast. So for the first method is just simply assemble a team with multi-hit units. So just simply focus on units with fast multi-hit attackers like the killer, and just simply prioritize low SP unit that hit faster rather than your stronger unit. And the second method is farming XP on the stage Act 5 on Planet Namek. So guys, make sure it is on story mode, not the legend mode. The reason why I recommend this is because this level is fast to clear and it takes around 4 minutes and it is much faster to gain some XP. Another method that you might want to consider is maximizing the efficiency by placing cheaper units early to speed up the level. So don't focus on upgrading because speed is the priority. So guys, repeating this method will get you to level 50 quickly and you can unlock all 6 unit slots, and that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you out level up more faster, and thanks for watching. See ya!